Here's the Amazfit GTS 3, and you have an issue where every time you flip your wrist or flick it, the screen does not turn on. Okay, how do you fix it? Very simple. First thing is we need to go to settings. So let's go to the clock face, and then let's go to settings. Go ahead and slide down. Look for the settings icon. It looks like a gear. If it's not here, swipe to the left. There's the gear right there. That's the settings icon. Let me tap on that. And the next thing we're going to do is tap on display. So let's tap on display. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we see this right here. It says wake on wrist raise. Okay, so let's tap on that right there. Oop. Let's tap on that. Now, the first one up there is response speed. By default is on standard, but you can make it sensitive as well. But down here it says enable status. Wow, mine says off. As you can see, right there it says off. Let me tap on that. Now, you may have it on schedule from a certain time, or you may have it off. What you want to do is just go here where it says all day, right there. And now, let me go ahead and make sure the screen turns off. So it's off. Voila. We're in business, right? Good luck.